Find or read reviews that people are talking about OLIXIS portable car refrigerator. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Large 53-quart capacity with dual-layer cooling design, the OLIXIS portable refrigerator features a spacious interior with customizable partitions, allowing simultaneous freezing and refrigeration. Ideal for road trips, camping, tailgating, fishing, and home backup cooling. Smart Bluetooth control and wide -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit range. Manage remotely via app. This portable fridge/freezer maintains stable temps as a 12 volts fridge or freezer. Perfect for keeping drinks cold and food fresh on trips, camping, and outdoor adventures. Dual power and built-in cutting board for cars and home. This versatile cooler supports 12/24 volt DC and 100 to 240 volt AC as a 12 volt plug-in/electric cooler, with battery protection to prevent drainage. Its built-in cutting board adds meal prep convenience for trips, camping, and outdoor use. Quiet less or equal 40 decibels operation with LED child lock panel. The car cooler runs quietly at less or equal 40 decibels for comfortable driving and resting, features an intuitive LED control panel with a child lock function to prevent accidental touch during travel or outdoor activities. Pull rod and wheels for easy mobility on any trip. Designed as a highly portable fridge and 12-volt refrigerator, the OLIXIS cooler includes durable wheels and a telescopic handle for smooth movement across campsites, parking lots, or backyard events. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.